This is iPhone 15 and today I'll show how you can check the RAM capacity on this device. So unfortunately the Apple did not put the RAM specifications into the settings, into the about device or about phone page, so we'll need to resort to the third-party tools, which is not too bad in my opinion. Anyway, just launch settings, enter general category. Next, go for the about. Here, find the IMEI number, copy it, then launch whatever browser you prefer to use. Then go for the IMEI.Info website, paste your IMEI number into this text field. I actually failed to copy IMEI number, but that's fine. I'll quickly do that now. And now it says that the IMEI number is invalid, so it didn't copy all the way, I guess. So last digits are 686, 686, 13. So those two last digits got cut off, but that's fine. Then complete the CAPTCHA check. Hit the check button next, and among the specifications that this web portal will provide you with based on the IMEI you have fed to it, you will need to find the hardware specs. I guess here they are, and then see the RAM amount. Here it is, RAM memory 6 GB. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.